To sell budgeting and financial planning tools on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sell your own products or how you can create your own shop in this platform. So for those who don't know what is Etsy.com or what does it do, so in this platform you can create your shop page like, wait to show you like this one for example. So this is what we call a shop page. As you can see, you have a product, its price, pictures of that product, and here you have the add to cart, the details of the product, the description, and you have also the shipping and return policy. So that's what I'm going to show you how to create all of this in this video. And also, not just you can create your shop page, you can also shop from this platform. As you can see, if you see any product that you would like, or if you are looking for any products, you can just type that in the search bar. So let's get into it by clicking on the sign in button to create our new account by clicking on register. And if you already have an account like me, just click on sign in and then you click on this button in your top right, which is the shop manager button, and by clicking on it, it will take us to set up our Etsy shop. So here, make sure to start from the shop preferences, and here let's get started. Tell us about you and your shop. So here you just choose your language, your country, and your currency, which you will basically find chosen automatically. So here I'm just going to change the currency to the United States dollar to make the job easier. Then click on save and continue, and here you have the shop's name. So make sure to choose a catchy name. So here I'm just going to choose, for example, financial planning tools as a name, and make sure to remove the spacing and the special characters or accented letters, and also make sure to make it less than 20 characters. So what are we going to remove? Let's remove this one, and so here it is. Click on save and continue. And here we have the listing page where we create a listing, add some photos and details about your item, fill out what you can for now. You will be able to edit this later. So here we just upload photos that describe our product so buyers can see every detail. And just for you to know guys, keep this in mind, if you click on save and continue without filling the important information, you will have this message in here that tells us to fill all of the important details like the photos, the listing details, and the list is long. So here I'm just going to start with you with the photos. Make sure at least to upload one picture of your product. And for tips, you have them in here. Use natural light and no flash, include a common object for scale, and so on. Then we have the videos. So here, if you already have a video of your product, you can upload it. If not, it's not a big deal. You don't need to have a video for your product, you just need some pictures, and to be exact, just one picture. And here, if you want to make a video that will sell, you can just click on this link and you will learn how to make that. And also make sure to follow these quick tips like film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used, and so on. Then we have the listing details where you enter the title of your product. So for example, I'm just going to leave it in the financial planning tools. Then you have these 3 questions: who made it, and what is it, when did you make it, recently, vintage, or not yet made. Then we have the category. So here just make sure to use some keywords and you will have a lot of categories to choose from. Then you have some details to fill, like the primary color, secondary color, occasion, and so on. Then we have the renewal options if you want an automatic renewal or a manual renewal. Then we have the type if it's a physical product or a digital product. So here let's just stick with the digital product. Then we have the description, and for the description, start with a brief overview that describes your item's finest features. Shoppers will only see the first few lines of your description at first, so make it count. Not sure what is to say? Shoppers also like hearing about your process and the story behind this item. So guys, if you can't type a decent description that can sell your product, you can just go to ChatGPT and give them a little bit of details about the product, and ChatGPT will write a very good description for you. And then we have the production partners if you have them, if not just leave it empty, and the section tags materials if you want to add them, they are optional. Then we have the inventory and pricing. So here the price must be between 0.20 and 5000 USD dollars, as you can see in here. Then we have the quantity. So here type as much or how much pieces you have like that, how much pieces you have in that product. Then you have the SKU number, which is optional again. Then we have the digital files. This is where you upload your digital file. You just click on upload file. You can add up to 5 more files. And then we have the return and exchanges policy. So digital items aren't eligible for returns or exchanges on Etsy because of the nature of these items. While it's not possible to edit this policy, when a buyer reaches out, you're still free to resolve as you see fit. So they gave you the freedom of choosing whether you're going to return or exchange with the buyers. So here you have no policy or you have no return and exchanges policy. And when you're done, you click on save and continue to proceed to the next step. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel and share the video with your friends. And also if you have any question, feel free to drop it in the comment section down below.